Our STEM classroom is quite large and it's lovely, but we wanted to be able to leave our space, and just outside of the classroom door we have an undercover learning area. There was this magical chocolate factory, which was just a couple of simple props. There were a few little lollies that I'd made out of cardboard, a few jars that had coloured pom-poms and things just to make them look like they're lollies, that just sets that scene of being in the factory and adds that sort of element of colour and excitement. Not necessarily having to play with items, but just having that setting set up that helps develop their imagination just a little bit more.
We had to come into the sideway and we couldn't see any of the stuff, so it was still a surprise.
There was some lollipops, there was some trees that had lolly tasted, and there was also a gumball machine.
We got to taste test chocolates from the factory, we got to eat the magical lolly trees and just have a bit of fun playing in his chocolate factory. What flavour is it?
I ate trees.
We taste them to make sure that they're all the right flavours. So like we're told what flavour it is and now we know. So we know what flavour we're expecting.
Oh, what flavour is it? What flavour is it?
Strawberry!
Cardboard is my best friend. Cardboard is just one of the best things, and you don't need to have a huge plethora of resources and expensive things.
I know, I was gotten that before.
There really isn't any hesitation. They go straight in. They know how the play can follow any path. When they realise that there aren't those boundaries to their play, they get involved.